Isn't it a wonderful day? I know. Oh my god! We finally made it to shore. I know. There's a girl in the distance. Let's go save her.
Oh my god, are you okay?
I'm fine.
There has to be a way for us to stop this.
Yeah, if only we can go back in time.
I think my uncle has a time machine.
Let's go now then. Where are we right now?
Well, we're like, when are we right now?
You're right. Mackenzie, what year did you press?
I don't really know what year it is. My uncle said it.
It's 2025, but maybe we should go look for our solution. Hurry up! Let's slow down!
Live oak tree.
I'm pretty sure it is, but we would have to check by the leaves. Maybe we could find some.
Oh my god!
Oh wait!
This is a live oak tree. Live oak trees actually help a lot to stop flooding. The canopies help intercept the rain.
The live oak tree's huge roots helps by soaking up all the water in the soil and in the roots. This can help by reducing the water level above surface.
Oak trees also help reduce erosion. This helps with slowing down water runoff. And there's so much more that oak trees can do for our community and help stop our floods, but that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching!